Thank you for taking time for this interview, and it's our honor to have this interview to you. Have you ever taken the Jakarta-Bandung high-speed railway since it was put into operation? How do you feel it?
I was very happy and proud because I also impressed by the technology and the fast speed of high-speed train of Indonesia-China. The train is testament to modern infrastructure, offering speed and comfort, making the journey between these two important cities efficient and enjoyable.
How does the Indonesian public evaluate the Jakarta-Bandung high-speed railway?
The Indonesian public generally views the Jakarta-Bandung high-speed railway positively. It is seen as a symbol of progress, connecting key urban contexts and fostering economic development and tourism.
After its opening, what positive impacts will it bring to Indonesia's development?
The opening the Jakarta-Bandung high-speed railway is expected to have a multitude of positive impact on Indonesian development. I will enhance transportation efficiency, reduce congestion, and boost economic growth by facilitating the movement of people and goods between Jakarta and Bandung.
What kind of contents and topics are covered when the Indonesian media report on the Jakarta-Bandung high-speed railway?
Indonesia made extensive cover the Jakarta-Bandung high-speed railway. Topics included construction, progress, the technology behind it, economic implication, and its role in regional development. It is subject of considerable interest and discussion.
What do you think of the Jakarta-Bandung high-speed railway's significance to build a community with a shared future for mankind?
The Jakarta-Bandung high-speed railway is a remarkable achievement in the Belt and Road cooperation between our two countries. It signifies our commitment to building a community with a shared future of mankind by promoting infrastructure development, economic cooperation, and cultural exchange.
What would you like to say to Chinese people?
To the China, I would like to express our appreciation for the cooperation and friendship between our countries. The Jakarta-Bandung high-speed railway is a symbol of our collaboration and a step toward a brighter future for both nations. Let's continue to work together to strengthen ties and promote shared prosperity.